So on Saturday night I was hearing some beeping sounds outside my window, and it was weirding me out. I tried recording them, but when I turned on the recorder they stopped. So I downloaded a sleep recording app which picks up sounds in the night, and I got some crazy sounds. I got some beeps and some clicks and some really big bangs, and yeah, no one was in my room. I don't have any electrical stuff by my side table that would do any sounds like this, so I'll just play them all. And yeah, and there's one crazy sound in there, so trippy. Okay, so sleep recording app. So Saturday night I was picking up sounds throughout the whole bloody night. It was so crazy. Look at all that. So this is okay. Right here at 2:06 we got a bang. Right here. That's a big, it's like it's banging on my window. And I think there's a beep here too. There. It's really trippy. Another bang here. It's like a thump. And a clicky beep. And did you hear that? After the click, it says something like, "What he say?" Okay, listen close. Right there. Whose voice is that? So click, and then what he say? Someone's talking, like what the fuck? Crazy beat clicks. So we've got another click down here. This click here is crazy, it's really loud. What is that? Who's clicking in my room? Crazy sounds in the background. What is that? It's like a little giggle, then some breathing, and then a snap, click. So listen closely. Hold on. Ready. Now. Now. Really strange. I think another bang here. Another clicking sound. Some strange. This one here I can't understand. There's something in the background. It's like a hovering, humming sound. I don't live by any trains or anything. This is a quiet area. The fuck is that? This is in my room, remember? But anyway, this was the weirdest of them all. At 3:30 AM, it started recording, and there's some really loud bangs followed by an increased humming sound after it. So here we go. We'll play the bangs back a few times. So it's right in the middle here. Here. What was that? And another big one, a really big one here. So what is that? Once again. So loud. And then if we wait just a little bit, you'll hear a sound in the background. It gets louder, quite loud. It's like something entered my room, and then the sound in the background gets crazy. So here we go. What the fuck is that? This is my fucking room. Seriously, what the fuck? I live nowhere near any fucking trains. And my road is a quiet off street. But yeah, that goes on for quite some time. So last night was when shit got real. So Monday, this woke me up and I couldn't go back to sleep. This scared the shit out of me. What happened was I heard a massive click, electrical click outside my window. It was so fucking loud, it made the dog actually start barking. The dog started barking a few times and the dog started running away from my fence because it scared him as well. But this is what it sounded like. It's kind of like the same theme of the sounds you've been hearing too, like with this clicking sound. But this was outside my window. Okay, ready? Now. Right there, it's like a little gunshot. Right there. So now he's running away, you'll hear it go in the distance. It scared him, but it was right there. And that was so loud, it was like a big... So see, the dog's not barking. He's a good dog, he does not bark at night. Unless something's really there, you know. And the big bang. So I think up here we had some weird sounds as well. It's hard to hear, but it's like something's there. Oh, it's too crazy. I think there was beeps as well. Just trying to find another beep. There. So we'll go back to this one. Hear it? Massive one there. So yeah, the crazy sounds.